What's up YouTube? This is Innovator Within. Today I'm making a video about repairing two tabletops. One has holes that I need to repair before staining it to match. The second one, my daughter accidentally spilled nail polish.
I'm sorry.
No big deal, baby girl, because our family motto is
We're problem solvers, not problem makers.
that's right. So for this one, I'm going to sand down and restain it. I'm going to show you step by step from what I use to how I go about it. This is what I'm going to use, all-purpose wood filler to repair the holes. In my experience, it is best to take a sample to a home improvement store to best match the stain to your project, like I have done here. I'm going to use a belt sander to make it easier because I'm sanding both tabletops. Then I'm going to use wiping cloths and tack cloths to clean and get it ready for staining. I'm also doing an extra step to protect and give it a medium shine. I am using polyurethane clear satin. I sanded it back to the bare wood to get the best results. Then, for the first coat, I used a wiping cloth to give a good base because the first coat gets sucked into the wood, only going in the direction of the wood grain. Then, for the second coat, I used an oil-based brush to get a heavy coat, also going in the direction of the wood grain. My daughter decided to give me a hand with the staining. We like to encourage our kids with projects and activities instead of them being on their devices. I helped her by wiping the stain in order to get a more detailed finish. Now, all we have to do is wait for it to dry. It turned out to be a father and daughter project. Alright, this is the finished product that I repaired the holes and we restained it gray. And then this is the final product, the one that I sanded down and also restained. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more step with the polyurethane and give it 2 light coats. This way it'll be stain resistant, and also if any kind of spillage happens, it won't be a big deal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next video. Alright, this is with the clear coat on it. and we just wait 2 hours for it to dry, and that'll be a wrap.